Okay, so in this video, we're going to chat about how to optimize and completely up-level your colon cleanse process. And this is by utilizing additional companion products. Because let's be honest, if you're going to go to the effort of doing a 3-day juice fast and all the work that's involved in that, you're going to want to get the max benefits. And the reality is disease and toxicity, it's driven by the overburden and congestion of toxicity within your colon. Every disease that you experience, whether it be your hormonal imbalances, your skin outbreaks, your skin rashes and allergies, your bloating, your constipation, right through to the extreme chronic conditions such as cancers and autoimmune conditions, they all have this underlying driver of excess toxicity within the body. So when you're going to go through the process of a colon cleanse, you're obviously going to want to get as much of that toxicity out of your body as possible. So this is where adding in these beautiful companion products, naturopathically designed by me, are going to really up-level your results and help you fast-track your results so that you actually feel $1 million coming out the other side of it. So to be clear, let's reiterate, the basic colon cleanse process is your 3-day juice fast, drinking minimum 4 liters of water on top of that, 2 liters of cold pressed, ideally organic juice, doing multiple enemas a day, and then on top of that, taking your Balance Babes Cleanse Me Colon Cleanse Powder. Now, I've stressed this a few times, but it's a wasted opportunity doing a juice fast without taking your colon cleanse powder. One, because obviously one of our primary aims is to clear out that excess toxicity, that mucoid plaque, that place where your parasites and the pathogenic bacteria live in, thrive off, eat off all that excess buildup of that plaque and that mucus and that undigested food. This is the whole purpose of why we want it out there. It is congesting you, it is stuffing your digestion, it's causing inflammation, it's causing mood swings, it's ruining your periods, your hormones, your skin, the list goes on and on. So you want that out. Juice fasting alone without a colon cleanse powder will not effectively, or in my opinion at all, rid your body of that mucoid plaque. So again, if you're going to go to the effort of juice fasting for 3 days, and the same thing goes with water fasting, I honestly believe you should be adding in your colon cleanse powder for a water fast as well. Remember, it's all fiber-based. It's not going to affect your blood sugar levels. You will still be in a fasting state. You will still be producing all those stem cells if you add this into your water fast. But you'll be mopping up, soaking up, absorbing all the toxins that your body is spitting out. So what it's going to do, it's going to reduce the detoxification side effects that you're going to get with your juice fasting or water fasting. So again, add this in. If you're doing an extended fast of 5 to 7 days, you only need to do something like this for about 3 days. Once you've got a lot of that crap out, then sure, you can water fast and juice fast alone without it. But do not miss the opportunity of protecting yourself and really maximizing the release of toxins by not adding in your colon cleanse powder. So just briefly, the very, very bare basics, in my opinion, that you should always invest the money in, because investing in your health is the most important thing that you can do, is your colon cleanse powder, your Enema Kit. Now this Balance Babe Enema Kit that we do, it is a very basic one. We do this one because it is cheap, it's easy to use, it's easy to clean, and it's easy to store. If you get into a routine and become obsessed with enemas, like pretty much everyone who starts them, you probably will eventually want to go and invest in a much more higher price bucket or kit. They just have a few other little bits and pieces that make them a bit harder to clean, to store, and stuff like that, but they're fantastic. But this is just your basic starting kit. Really simple to use. Again, there's going to be a few of you that are going to go, no, I can't do enemas, it's weirding me out, I'm not doing that, and I get it. But again, you are missing such a beautiful opportunity to add in that extra liver detoxification by adding the enemas, to be clearing out that plaque, to be minimizing detoxification reactions. So please, please, please give it some thought. Trust me, I wouldn't recommend you to do something if I didn't genuinely believe how beneficial it was for you. And the last and most important thing that I really don't think you should skip on is your probiotics. So our Balance Babes Probiotics has 10 different strains in it, so it's very broad spectrum. And when you're cleansing out that colon and clearing all that plaque out, you're creating this beautiful, clean, clear environment. So it is the perfect opportunity to go then restock with all the beautiful beneficial bacteria after a cleanse. So you'd be mad to miss that opportunity. As you know, I am a big believer that taking probiotics rectally, which means you're using your bulb syringe, using a powder and inserting them rectally versus taking your probiotics by mouth is far more effective. It has been speculated that 80% of those live beneficial bacteria, when you swallow them by mouth, are lost through the digestive tract, through the excretion of digestive acids, through the overgrowth of bad bacteria, through taking them at the wrong time and combining them with foods that aren't helping them thrive or different supplements. So I know it's weird and I'm really stretching the friendship now by asking you to also take your probiotics by but if you can get your head around an enema,